Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain everything about the Python that every developer needs to know about this. Like for example, what is Python? Where we can use it? Why it's popular? And how we can start using it today. Whether you are a student, developer, or someone completely new to programming, this video will guide you a solid understanding of Python. First, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose language. It was created by Rosum and first released in 1991. And it's an open source programming language. Open source means you can use it free anytime. May you think what high-level interpreted means? A high-level language is a programming language that is easy for humans to read and write. It uses words and symbols that are close to natural English language. So you don't need to worry about the complex detail of the computer's hardware work. Like for example, you want to print hello world, you can write this syntax. Print, parentheses, quotation, and write the hello word. This line is easy to understand. It tells the computer to print hello world message on screen. In low-level language like assembly, you would have to write many lines of code just to do the same things. Like this. This code is not easy to read and understandable for everyone. And also Python has support object-oriented programming. Don't think about it object-oriented programming for now because I will explain this later. Just remember that Python has support object-oriented programming. Basically, I can say it's a simple syntax makes it popular for beginner, data scientist, web developer, AI researcher, and more. I know you have this question where we can use Python. We can use Python for web development, like someone want to create a website for e-commercial, portfolio, or managing databases. Also, we can use Python for data science, machine learning, AI, and the cool thing is we can use Python for automation scrapping. Like sometimes you want to get data from different websites for data analyzing. For example, total sale of product worldwide from different websites. You can use Python for game development. If someone wants to create a game, they can use Python. And you can use Python instead of Java for desktop application development. And one thing more, why Python is popular? The reason is Python has massive library support. As I know, there are more than 30,000 libraries for Python, like NumPy, Django, Flask, TensorFlow, and much more. Python is used by companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, Instagram, NASA, Dropbox. It's also used in fields like education, financial, robotic, and cybersecurity. I think this information is enough about the Python. In the next lecture, we will start our first app in Python. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.